Welcome to our show, Cooking I Like.
Hello guys, welcome to the channel, Cooking I Like. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, so today we are going to prepare spaghetti and beef.
Yeah.
And as we start off, tunaosha nyama zetu zikuwe safi kwanza.
Yeah, make sure you buy soft meat. Tunaona hii nyama ni very soft.
Yeah, this is red meat.
Yeah.
Ni nyama ya ng'ombe, by the way. Yeah,
ni nyama ya ng'ombe. Kuna bone marrow hapo, as you can see. Don't worry about the sink. Tuliosha lakini kutoka hizo vitu.
Sink iko sawa. Bora maji na flow, maji ni safi, nyama ziko safi.
The water is clean.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys go and subscribe to the channel 18 Lions. Tuna shootingi vitu different. Haya, so here
tunamaliza kusha nyama zetu, tunawasha moto yetu hapo. And it's time to weka nyama zetu tuzichemke.
Yeah.
As you can see, unaweka maji kiasi. Si mingi sana pia, lakini unaweka tu maji
at the level ya meat.
Yeah, ichemke.
Chemke pale. Chemke. Haya, mnaona pale na chemka. That's organic meat. Naona ina form hapo form. Inakaa tu tamu.
Ukiona nyama ichemki hivi jo sijui mauziwa nini.
Yeah, so we're boiling the meat. And salt.
Chumvi hapo. Okay.
2 spoons. 2 spoons
iko sawa. Ni kidogo. Umeweka kiasi lakini iko sawa.
Yeah.
Iko sawa.
Okay, so now
kuna vitunguu tetu hapo, tomato. Ingredients zetu hapo, kuna dania.
Very organic.
So as you can see, yeah. Alafu ukienda kununua hizi vitu usinunue zile kubwa. Utakuwa unajicheza. Nunua zile ndogo. Na si pia tutaini sana. Pia zinachukianga size yake tu.
Hi, so right there we are washing the tools. The tools are the tomatoes and onions. Haya, ndio hiyo chopping board hapo. Ndio hizo onions zetu, nyanya zetu. Tunaziosha.
Hapa tunatumia vitunguu 2. Yeah, na tomato 4.
Just a normal size.
Yeah,
you wash them.
Make sure vitu zako ni safi, vegetables zako ni safi. Yeah.
So that you don't eat dirty food. And wash your hands also.
Tuna maintain cleanliness.
Hapo
chakula lazima ikuwe safi.
Bana.
Alafu hapo tumezoea kupeel tomato skin. So hapo tunaichemsha kiasi for like a minute or 2.
Yeah. Is it like steaming?
Yeah. Steam.
Pole.
Kati vidole.
Cutting the onions right there.
Na kisu yetu ni sharp. Yeah.
Because when it's sharp, you go faster.
Yeah.
Cut your onions. By the way, hapa tulikuwa tunapika saa 6. It was so late, but we had to eat.
Lazima watu wakule. Lazima watu washibe.
Next is the tomatoes.
Tunaweza kata vitunguu zetu hapo. Nyama zetu zishachemka. Make sure zimechemka hadi zimeisha maji.
They look so good.
Yeah, yummy. Ndio. Unaongezea mafuta kiasi hapo.
You fry the nyama. And then here is the onions. Put the onions. The onions are cooking. Give it like how many seconds?
Like 30 seconds
ndio zikook poa. Turn golden brown. Hapa
bado. Uko sure ni 30?
Ama?
Acha tuone. Ama tuweke timer. Tomato zetu tushazi steam hapo, tunazi peel off. Peel hiyo skin ya tomato juu azivangi. Mimi nimeshapika na tomato mara mingi, hizo skin azivangi, so it's better to zitoe. Alafu pia inafanya tomato inaiva fiti, ina dissolve kwa chakula vizuri. Nacheki. So tomato zetu ziko ready, tunaongezea. Nasikia tu kuzikula takazijaiva.
Alafu can someone put the tomato just like whole like that? Usizikate.
Yeah.
Like can you see when you have already peeled, you can put them whole.
Full.
When you don't have time, you can put them whole.
Hapo tumeongezea pilipili moja hapo,
green,
chopped hivyo tu,
organic.
Just for the taste, ndio.
Wow, I just feel like eating them.
Kuna hoho yetu hapo, unaichop kidogo, natoa hizo vitu za ndani. Hizo vitu zipika nazo, ndio.
Okay, do you guys normally remove the seeds or you cook with them? Comment.
You can remove the seeds.
Ndo nawaambia, if you remove the seeds, you comment on the section. Do you remove the seeds or
do you cook with them?
Cook with them.
Because me, I prefer removing
them.
Yeah.
For me, kitambo, I never used to remove them. I just used to put everything.
We put in everything.
Yeah.
But it is fine, bado. In vegetables. So I have our carrots here. You peel off that skin because damn, carrots are squeezy, Joe. You can't just trust them.
You can't trust the carrots.
Yeah, you can't just work them with the skin. So those are
carrots right there.
Carrots
for the acidity. To kill the acidity.
In a balance.
Okay.
Chakula yetu ni tamu.
Wow, it looks so good. It looks so yummy. Add some water. Mtu wa Murima.
Bufu.
Mtu wa Murima add some water.
Some water.
To add the soup. That's for soup purposes.
Beef stew.
Now
this is cover. Beef stew. Yes. Now we cover for it
and
to
wait
cook
for it to simmer.
For like 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
1 minute. 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Kidogo.
Walai.
Maybe
I feel
3
like
minutes.
It's already cooked. So
3 minutes
like,
ndo stew
ingiane na
boil vizuri. Yes.
Lakini 1 minute
mix vizuri. 1 minute ni kidogo sana. At least the least you can give it is 5-7 minutes. No, 3 bado ni kiasi.
5.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Okay, now this is what? Coriander.
Dania.
What's it
I
called?
think I know it's dania.
Okay, tumezinunua tu hapa kwa soko, tujapanda.
Hiyo moja hiyo. The dania, hiyo moja hiyo is like 5
shillings.
Yeah, 5 shillings. Msibiwe huko nje. Dania moja ni shilingi 5.
Kama unaishi Kilimani hiyo ni so.
Ama hata so 2. So you add some salts there to season kiasi.
Yeah. then you stir a little bit, you stir ndo hizo vitu zi mix up.
So here ndo unaweza acha for a minute, just a minute.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay, I get it.
See,
okay, see. Now it's done.
And beef is ready.
Yeah, so now we are putting water for spaghetti. This is our pan, guys. It's so big. See, like it's taking 2 jugs of water. Okay, put some salt to the water.
Boiling water.
And then you add some oil. Or some oil.
Yeah.
Then you add your spaghetti. The water is boiling. The water is boiling.
The water is boiling. So you add your spaghetti there.
Yeah, you can cut them whole. You can cut them like that, or you can put them whole.
Yeah, whole.
Whichever way you like.
Yeah.
You can get creative. You put the spaghetti.
Yeah, so unaziweka hivyo. Me, I like putting them like that so that zikiiva hazishikani. Unaona? Instead of just kuweka ndani hivyo tu directly to hivyo without spreading them. You see? So yeah. Ukiweka hivyo at least zinaiva kaa
ziko straight back.
Yeah. Si ile form unapika spaghetti ukitoa hivi hicho kichunk chote umekeka kwa maji inabidi kimetoka hivyo. You see?
Okay, so now you mix it up and then you wait.
You let it boil for like
how many minutes?
7 minutes.
For like 7
8 minutes.
Yeah. How many minutes do you guys boil your spaghetti?
Yeah, let us know in the comment section. Tujue labda sisi tuna
overboil ama
underboil. Yeah, but she see as
cooked right there. Yeah, sometimes you can strain the water. Yeah, like that.
Yeah. For tukona hii saver, so tuna strain maji imebaki. Naweka kando. As you can see.
It looks so yummy.
And we put some oil.
Yeah.
Just a little in the saucepan.
Put some oil in the saucepan. Okay.
Then you add your spaghetti.
Wow.
Yeah. At least isishikane. This is the final part. Yeah, of our cooking.
Yeah, you just mix it up. You can put
spices. Yeah, if you have spices, if you like spices, you can.
Yeah, you can put spices if you want. You can add color to it with carrots or anything you like.
Yeah, so there is our beef stew and spaghetti.
Wow.
Yeah.
Finally.
Welcome.
The meal is ready.
It's yummy. It looks yummy. Yes.
Yeah, so you guys comment if you like the food. Channel. Bye.
Bye.